8 million views, 10 million views, 13 million views. This one YouTube Shorts channel is absolutely crushing it. That's earned them over 1.25 million subscribers. Their secret? They post in the wisdom niche. And right now, this niche is your golden ticket to going viral. I'll break down exactly how to make these viral shorts. And then I'll show you how to automate the entire process with an insane AI tool. Here's what you'll have by the end of this video.
Once in a quiet village lived an old man known for his wisdom. One day, a young traveler sought his guidance.
Sounds pretty good, right? Now lock in and let's get to work. We're going to be using this game-changing AI tool called VidAI to automate the entire process. And the best part? You can try it today. Step 1. Creating a new project. Once you're in VidAI, hit this button to create a new project. On the next page, you'll see all the features this tool offers. Faceless shorts, text message stories, Reddit threads, auto captions. For our video, I'm selecting Faceless shorts. Now let's talk settings. It all starts with the project title. Call it whatever you want, but I'm going with Wisdom Story because, well, that's exactly what it is. Next up, we need to choose a topic. VidAI has a ton of presets. If I click Popular Topics, boom, a massive list appears. There are literally 30 different niches to choose from. You could be posting in 30 different categories if you wanted to. For our video, motivational stories are the perfect fit. Now, you can either write your own script or let AI do the work. I'll go with the AI-generated prompt and type. Generate a life wisdom story with a moral at the end. Oh, and don't forget video length. If you're making shorts, go for 30 to 60 seconds. If you're targeting TikTok's creator program, you'll need the 60 to 90 second option. I'm making YouTube shorts, so I'll pick the first one. Step 2. Picking a narrator. Now we need a voice. VidAI has a ton of narrators, but if you hit See All, you'll unlock even more options. You can filter by storytelling, narration, and even accents from different countries. I'm going with Brian. His voice sounds great for this style. But feel free to preview and choose one that fits your vibe. Step 3. Choosing the video style. Now let's talk video visuals. VidAI gives us 3 main options: AI-generated images, custom visuals for your story, gameplay videos like Minecraft parkour, super engaging for shorts, viral clips, those oddly satisfying videos that people love. For this video, I'll go with AI-generated images. There are tons of styles to choose from. Anime, neon art, graffiti, you name it. I think cinematic images will look amazing, so that's my pick. Step 4. Generating the video. Alright, time to hit Generate Content. I'll skip ahead to the final result. Boom! VidAI has generated our entire video. We've got AI images, narration, and captions, all done automatically. Now, let's fine-tune it. If a sentence doesn't sound right, click and edit. Don't like an image? Regenerate it with one click. Step 5. Final touches. Now, let's polish the video. First up, background music. Just like the voices, VidAI has a huge library, including some TikTok bangers like Blade Runner 2049. I like this one, so I'm selecting it. Next, captions. You can choose between multi-word captions or single-word captions. Then pick a font. There are plenty to choose from. I'll go with Montserrat. Want green captions? Click, boom, done. Want a different highlight style? Adjust it in seconds. Need more dynamic captions? Add zoom effects. Once you're happy with everything, scroll down and hit Generate. The final result. And just like that, our video is ready.
The old man invited him to a nearby river where they sat down. After a while, the old man tossed a stone into the river.
See you in the next one. Bye!